oak, and so I painted them.
I have to ask about the floor in the kitchen because I think it's beautiful and it feels as though it works so beautifully with the old pine that's in this room. Now that's pine plank. And how did you make it look so sort of old, hand-hewn?
Well, they're just 1 by 12 pine boards that you would buy at the hardware store or at the lumber yard, and they're 3/4 of an inch thick. And you have to lay a layer of plywood, something to attach it to. And if you don't have a lot of room, you can use 1/2 inch plywood, but best is 3/4 inch plywood. And then you put your pine boards down, and then they are hand scraped.
I see. And then you beveled the corner here, the edge.
We beveled the edge because we needed to get a little bit of a consistency to the level between the carpeting and the wood flooring.
Now, you found a space in every room to be able to highlight your collection.
Correct.
Let's talk about the cottages in the kitchen.
Since these are cottages, and I've made them cottages, I decided to start collecting things that had a cottage theme. And I've got pictures on the wall that are pictures of cottages. And then I started collecting something that's called cottage ware. And they're little cute biscuit barrels and teapots and flower vases and covered butter dishes, all done to look like cottages. And so I didn't have a window above my kitchen sink, so I created shelves in between the cabinets that were on either side because I didn't have room for a hutch again. I created these cute little shelves and I've placed my cottage collection on it.
Sometimes there are areas that are overlooked, and of course the ceilings are one, and sometimes the light fixtures. You pay attention to the detail, I think, of the light fixtures.
I love old-fashioned light fixtures. In fact, some people take them out and think, oh my gosh, I've got to go out and buy all new light fixtures. I like to take the old ones and make them work, and I think they have more personality. The ones I used in the kitchen are very old-fashioned, and I think they're adorable. I added a little ivy to them, and the one in the master bedroom here is, it was just white and gold, and you've seen them in stores. I'm sure we've all seen them. And I just dabbed at it with paint, and tried to pick up all the colors that were in the wallpaper. And I think it turned out real cute.
Well, this whole place turned out really cute. You've given us tons of ideas.
Thanks, Kitty.
Thank you so much, Gail. We'll be right back.